Okay, just testing out the GoPro 10 on my paddle here, out here at Rio Mar, and gonna paddle down. There's a billion birds out on the water. I'm gonna go check and see what's up with that, and might be able to catch some waves on the way down there. So, well, you'll see it in the edit. These pelicans! Oh my goodness! What is happening? Alright, we checked them out. Got a couple of them to fly away. So that's pretty cool. I've never seen so many pelicans, and mostly baby pelicans it looks like. Having a hard time flying. But yeah, very cool. Oh no, these Shorebreaks were not good for my board. Oh crap. Ooh, huge crack in the board. Down, all the way down. It's bad. Okay. I'll let you know if I get another board.